Exercise 2B, question number 1. This is about the wages and this is about wages of a factory. There are 65 employees and their wages fall into those class intervals. So, for example, there are 4 people in this class interval. They can be 176, 180, 210, 215, and in this one, then 227, then this is 200 and I think, and it could be 227, 229, likewise. The first question is, what is the model class? The model class is uh, the most common class. The most common class is 351 to 400. 20 employees' wages fall on this category, fall on this class. And question number 2 is find the mean. So x bar is summation xf times summation f. Now to multiply with this 4, which number are we going to select? 175 or 225 or different number? Usually we will select the median. I rewrote this table. Now to multiply by 4 this class interval, the best value is the middle value of this class interval. So we'll find the middle value of this class interval. 175, 225. So 175 plus 225 divided by 2. That's how we find the middle. So this value is going to be 200. Then 226 plus 300 divided by 2. This value is going to be 263. And when you add 301 plus 350 divided by 2, this value is going to be 325.5. And likewise, the next value is 375.5. And then other value is 450.5. Now answer is 200 times 4 plus 200 times 4. Now we have a value 263 times 8 plus 325. Okay, I'll start from here. 200 times 4 plus 263 times 8 plus 325.5 times 18 plus 375.5 times 28 plus 450.5 times 7 divided by 65. So you will get the answer 200.08. Now the C, write down the interval containing the median. Okay, what is the interval? There are 65 numbers. So n equals 65. Then n divided by 2 is 32.5. So not a whole number. This is a whole number. So if it's not a whole number, round up. When you round up, you will get 33. So now, this is this in ascending order? 175 to 225, yes. So this is a ordered interval. This is a ordered interval according to in ascending order. Then there is no problem. So we want to pick up the T33. It means 33rd term. Where the 33rd term lies. So this is 4. This is T1, T2, T3, T4 terms, this one. Then T4 plus 8. T12 term here up to. Then T12 plus 18. T20, T30. Up to T30 terms here. So then other 28. So T68. Okay. Is it in 30? Is it in T4? No. Is it in T12? No, because 33 third term. It is in 30? No, still 3 less. Then which it is in 60? Yes, that is the one. So then it is in between 351 and 400. So the median lies in the interval of 351 to 400. Mode also lies in this one, 351 to median also lies in this one. And what is the mean? 345. But the mean is in this one. So mean is mode is here, median is here, but the mean is here. Question number 2. The noise level of 30 locations, and this is decibels, the variable x, and this is the frequency. And yeah, within this data is this variable is a continuous variable or discrete variable. Yeah, decibel can be any number. This is usually continuous. It's like number of even this is 65, 69. There may be a decibel 65 point like that. So we can use the real number line to measure. It means there are decimals. Now we want to find the mean. So equation is summation xf over summation f. Now we need a reasonable value to multiply with this frequency. So usually we know that the middle value, it means 65 plus 69 divided by 2, which is 67. So 67 we are using instead of this interval. And then 72 the same way. 82, 87, 92, 90, 67, 72, then 77, 82, 87, 92, 97. Now, this is an average of those two numbers. So the middle value, then we have to multiply 67 times 1, 72 4 times, and 77 decibels in 6 locations, 82 decibels in again 6 locations, and 87 decibels in 8 locations, 90 2 decibel in 4 locations and 97 decimals in 1 locations. Divide by how many locations here? 30 locations. So the answer should be 82.3. 82.3. And part B, explain why your answer to part A is estimate. Because there is no the primary numbers, the real numbers. Because uh, no original data value is available, because we don't know. They give this kind of intervals. We don't know this what is the exact value this person took. It is 65 or 67 or 69 or we don't know. That's why it is an estimate. Question number 3. This is about the daily mean temperature at Heathrow in October from large data set. Okay, this is the temperature. See that the interval, the way interval is written down. So 6 is going here. 8, if comes, 8 is not going here, but 8 is going to be here because equal sign. So now is this a continuous set? Yes, because yeah, temperature is a continuous variable. On top of that, this interval also continuous. 8, 8, 10, 10, 12, 12, 14, 14, 16, 16. There is no gap in between this interval, so that is good. And we don't need that one now. Yes, model class. The first question is model class. Model class is the most common classed. Uh, mod is most common value. Now there is no value. Now the instead of that we have the class. The most common class is, so how many times? 9 times this class is 9 data values in this class. So this is the 10 to 11. The model is T 12. Then B, we need to find the mean temperature. So x bar is summation xf over summation f equal. Now I found the middle values. I jot down 6 plus 8 divided by 2. 8 plus 10 divided by 2. 10 plus 12 divided by 2. 12 plus 14 divided by 2. 14 plus 16 divided by 2. Likewise, if the class interval is class width is same, then when you know these values, you can add and simply write, but it has to be class width. You know, class width is the difference. 6 add to 8, 8 add to 10, 10 add to 12, 12 add to 14, 14 add to 16, 16 add to 18. It means the class width is 2 basically. Yeah, it is. It means it is a class width is same. So then when you know 3 values, then 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 2 13. Likewise you can add also, but you have to check always because then 16 likewise. So those are the middle values. Now we'll write 7 times 3, 7 times 3 plus 9 times 7 plus 11 times 9 plus 13 times 7 plus 15 times 3 plus 17 times 2 divide by 31. So this answer is 11.4. This is question number 4. This is the age level of shop A and B. In shop A, there is 5 people in working in 16 to 25. At the same time, in shop B, 4 people in this age group. Now we want to get an idea about the age group, average age in between A and B. So as usual, I found out the mid value because 16 plus 25 divided by 2, that is 20.5. So likewise, this is 20.5, 30.5. Likewise, now the formula x by summation xf over summation f. So x bar A equal A group, then 20.5 times 5 plus 30.5 times 16 plus 40.5 times 14 plus 50.5 times 22 plus 60.5 times 26, no space, plus 70.5 times 14 divided by the summation of this one is 97 workers on divided by 97. Our answer should be around 50 years, and x bar b is 20.5 times 4, then 30.5 times 12, and 40.5 times 10 plus 50.5 times 28 plus 60.5 times 25 times 70.5 times 13 over the total is going to be 92. So divide by 92, we will get answer 51 years. So we can comment on this one. Store B workers marginally above with 1 year than A.